The biggest mistake parents do is to expect too much from their kids. They expect their kids to be perfect. But where do you think this longing for perfection comes from? It comes from the mode of fear. Majority of parents operate from the mode of fear. If you really ask this question to yourself honestly, that why am I expecting my child to be happy? Why am I expecting my child to be perfect? Why am I expecting my child to excel in everything that they do? If you really honestly answer this question, you will know that you're doing that, you're expecting that from your kid because you're operating from the mode of fear. Is it because you are so freaking out from the mode of abundance? Is it because you're terrified because you're operating from the mode of abundance? No, you're terrified because if they don't get good grades, if they don't excel in everything that they do, they are going to be homeless. They're not going to get a job, which in turn would make you feel terrible about yourself. You won't feel good. And that's the ultimate strike. It's not about your kid being homeless or your kid being sad or depressed or feeling terrible. It's about you ultimately feeling terrible for the situation that they are in and for the feeling that they are going through. Right? So that's the ultimate strike. That's the ultimate knock. Now, what can we do about it? Every parent wants their child to be happy because they want that feeling of satisfaction that their child is happy. Every parent will tell you that they just want happiness and they just want their kids to settle. But what is settling? Do you think, doing a degree, though they don't like doing that particular course, is being happy? Do you think getting a job which doesn't interest them, settling for a mediocre job, is being happy? Do you think marrying a girl or boy whom they don't love is being happy? What is happiness? What is settlement? Parents unfortunately don't understand this and they continuously push their kids towards mediocrity and instill their own fears in the kids. This is self-sabotaging and it also sabotages your children. This paradigm must change. If you really want your children to be happy, then you need to understand that happiness is a byproduct of service. Mahatma Gandhi once said, if you want to gain yourself, you need to lose yourself in the service of others. Now ask yourself as a parent, how could you enable your kids to be of service to others so that they can be happy in return? Right? So please start accepting your kids as they are and let them be their authentic self instead of you correcting them all the time. It's always better to be authentic and real instead of faking just to please everybody. Encourage authenticity and help your kids evolve and grow.